I can't believe I never visited this place in Karnataka and it's my mom's favorite place. Mummy, guess where am I? Your favorite place.
ತುಂಬ ಚಂದ ಉಂಟಾ? ಸೈಡಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಂದಿಯಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಮಾಡ.
Ayo, every time you say this. Don't worry, Mummy. I will take care of myself. You see the views. I'll send more pictures, okay?
ನಿಂಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು? ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೀನು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕಾಲೇ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
You're always complaining about it. So I got V connection, Mummy. It works best in Karnataka. I saw it on the open signal report.
ನೀನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು. ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಾಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್.
Okay, bye.